Greetings, esteemed viewers. Welcome to Health, Fitness and Beauty channel. Here we offer essential information regarding your health, fitness and beauty. Before we continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to support our efforts. Your engagement through likes and subscriptions only keeps you informed but will never harm you, and also inspire us to create more valuable content to aid you on your health, fitness and beauty journey. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our loyal subscribers. And for those who have not yet subscribed, we invite you to do so. In today's video, we will discuss at-home workout, no equipment needed. Just because you can't make it to the gym doesn't mean you can't get a workout in. This full body circuit workout requires no equipment. Let's get started. Whether you are a runner, weightlifter, or you practice yoga on the daily, mixing up your routine cannot only get you through a plateau, but it can also just be fun to try something new. This at-home circuit training workout is a challenging and rewarding way to switch up your routine on those days where you can't make it to the gym or just lay low but still break a sweat. What are the benefits of circuit training workouts? There are a lot of full body benefits to circuit training style workout. If you are traditionally a runner, circuit training can help work your upper body. If yoga is your workout of choice, a workout program that includes circuit training can help you get your heart rate up and speed your metabolism. And if you are typically do resistance training or weightlifting, this circuit training workout gives your body high intensity movement. Using only your own weight, we can't emphasize it enough. When it comes to circuit training, there's something for everyone. Another perk of circuit training workout is that they are often low on equipment while still delivering on intensity. The body weight exercise in circuit training are compound exercises, meaning their movements require activation from different muscle groups rather than isolating individuals' muscle like standard weight training moves do. Compound exercise work your major muscle groups, plus when done in circuit format with shorter recovery times and minimal rest, you are getting cardio exercise in addition to building muscle. Need more proof that circuit training workouts are where it starts. Studies have shown that interval training can be incredibly effective for burning fat. If fat loss is one of your goals, try adding this at-home circuit training workout to your exercise routine a few times a week. What you will need: the at-home fully body workout below is primarily focused on strength training, but it will touch calories too, and without requiring any equipment. You just need some floor space and a chair for triceps exercise. If you are working out on a hard surface, a workout or yoga mat can also be helpful for cushioning your knees and forearms. What to give circuit training a try? Let's get started. At home circuit training workout. The workout features 8 exercises that will challenge your entire body. In between each exercise, you have about 20 seconds of rest time. If you choose to repeat this workout in the same workout session, we recommend resting a full minute in between sets. If you do like, you can add dumbbells to the squat, but it's completely optional and you'll be moving at so fast which must just slow you down. Subscribe and keep watching for more details on how to do exercise each properly. Let's go into details of all the workouts. Let's start from push-ups. We are not easing you into this circuit workout. Push-ups are a great way to start since they will warm up every muscle in your body while also giving you a challenge. Challenge yourself with a traditional starting position on the floor, but drop down to your knees if you need to. Good form is the key here, so it's better to do push-ups on your knees if you feel your form is sleepy. And do burpees. Get ready to sweat because we are moving right into burpees next. While the push-up option of this move is optional, including it, ensure you are getting the most out of this at home circuit training workout. You can also take the reps slowly and do the push-ups on your knees. If you need a lower impact version of this exercise, you can take the jumping out of the movement. Plank. This plank will give your arms one last challenge while strengthening your core. Your starting position can either be in a high or low plank on the floor, depending on what you prefer. If you need to adapt this move, drop down to your knees. You can also perform side planks, switching side at the 30 seconds mark. If you want to make it more challenging, try lifting one leg at a time. You won't be able to lift your legs very high, but even raising each foot a couple of inches will challenge your core. Jump lunge. Jump lunge are a great workout for your lower body and will also get your heart rate up. Start by standing on the floor with your right leg in front of you, your left leg back, and your right knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Jump up, pushing through both your right leg and left leg, and land with your left foot in front of you and your right foot behind you. You can land with your legs straight or with your knees bent, whichever is best for your fitness level. Drop back into a lunge position and repeat. If you are feeling too tired, you can also perform traditional lunge, lunging either back or forward with your right leg and then switching side to your left. Dolphin push-ups. Dolphin push-ups are a great challenge for your core, and they work your leg and shoulder muscles uniquely as well, while it's tempting to push off the floor from your feet. Make sure you are keeping your legs even and straight so that you are getting the most out of this move. Your knees can have a gently bent, but try to keep even and straight as well. Dolphin push can be tricky, so feel free to substitute regular push-ups if you can't maintain proper form. Frog squat are another fun animal-inspired move which really works your hips. For your starting position, your hips should be very low and close to the floor, like they would be for a goblet squat. They raise your hips into a normal squat starting position so that your hips are in a straight line with your knees. Get ready to feel the burn because your leg muscles will be activated during the entire duration of this section of the circuit training workout. If it's too difficult for you to perform this move with good form, you can always try squat jumps or regular bodyweight squats. Tricep dips. You are almost to the end. Tricep dips are an awesome resistance training move for your upper body. Use a nearby chair or coffee table and start by facing away from the chair with both palms resting on the edge of the chair and your feet on the floor. Keep your knees straight as you lift and lower your body with your arms. Try to get your hips down to the floor, even if you can only lower your body a few inches closer to the floor. You will see progress after just a few weeks of this at-home circuit training workout. Let's work your lower body one last time. A good wall sit. Proper form is crucial to getting the most out of this move. So make sure your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are bent at 90 degrees angle. We recommend 1 minute, but see how much you can hold this move for. If wall sit don't work for you, you can finish this circuit training workout with 15 reps of squats. If you are new to circuit training, give this workout a try and see how it feels. It should be pretty challenging, but remember, it's only going to make you stronger. If you have enough energy for another round, go for it. For intermediate athletes who want to get a full session in, we recommend trying this workout 3 times. We offer a variety of related videos designed to support your health, fitness, and beauty journey. Our content includes topics such as effective weight loss strategies, easy fat burning techniques, methods to reduce belly fat, dietary tips for maintaining youthful skin, and much more. You can find additional help resources in the description and on our channel page. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for further updates. And please share your thoughts in the comment section, as your feedback is invaluable in guiding our content creation. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye for now.